So for this exercise, we want to create NRG composite image of a handset, and so we want to put NIR red and green respectively to the RGB channels, and after that we want to apply the contrast stretch, and result will look something like this, and then we want the final output as PNG. So you can just use the separate operator and like put all the bands together and then apply the stretch and save it to the PNG.
When you have satellite data and you want to interpret this data visually, one of the ways you can do this is you just create a natural color composite, which is the RGB composite. Put the red band in the red channel, green band in the green channel, blue band in the blue channel. It looks like what it looks like to human eyes. Let's say your task is to manually delineate all the vegetation. So you want to highlight vegetation, or you want to kind of say, I want to detect all the water bodies. So I want to create a map of all the water bodies. I want to highlight that. You can create something called a false color composite. You can take this and create this kind of visual image where you can say, I'll take the NR image, put it in the red channel. Take the red channel, put in the green channel, take the green one, put it in the blue channel. And now your image looks like this. All the healthy vegetation will look bright red. Water bodies will look dark. And now suddenly you can say, if I want to trace water bodies, this is much better than this one, right? Here it's very difficult to trace where is water body. It's much easier. If I'm delineating farms, this is much better. So for visual interpretation, you may want to create certain composites like this. So the exercise is to say, we learned how to create RGB composites from these 3 bands. Now figure out how to create this NRG composite. So that's your exercise.